She's gaining speed real fast. She'll hit your territory in no time. The brakes are burning up.
Are you nuts? The brakes on the Runaway have burnt off.
How in the fuck did that happen? Didn't they check it?
Hey, the throttle must be jammed wide open in Run 8.
Oh, damn.
There she goes.
Oh, God, man, what are we gonna do? I got a wife and 2 kids, man. I ain't got no money like Michael Jackson. I need my
Come
job.
on, the system's foolproof.
Why? Because you designed it?
That I did, my boy, and I know how to use it. Now let me show you.
Better fly over the highway! Are you serious? Jesus, those scum could never make it this far out. We're up here freezing our asses off for nothing.
Hey, shut your mouth and keep your eyes on the glacier. This guy, I'm telling you, he'd do the same thing I would do.
Hey, you know, I just thought about that bank that you ripped off in Reno. Wee. I was in reform school. Man, that was so fucking great. 2 million simoleons, man, that was hot.
It's 2 million. It's a slight exaggeration. The insurance company, standard procedure.
Yeah, but it was still fucking great, man. Tell you what. Hey, Manny. I know this jug outside Frisco. It's good for $500,000. They ain't a payroll for S&A Sugar. S&A Sugar is a big outfit, man. Yeah, that's what I've been dreaming about. A really good score, you know what I mean? And I'm gonna party. Ooh! Yeah, shit. I'm gonna go to Mardi Gras. I'm gonna go to Vegas. And I'm gonna go with enough money in my hip pocket to catch them fine bitches, you know what I mean? You know, I spend almost every night of my life dreaming about this kind of shit.
Dreaming?
Yeah.
Dreaming. That's bullshit. You're not gonna do nothing like that. I'll tell you what you're gonna do. You're gonna get a job. That's what you're gonna do. You're gonna get a little job, some job a convict can get. Like scraping off trays in the cafeteria or cleaning out toilets. And you're gonna hold on to that job like gold. Because it is gold. Let me tell you, Jack, that is gold. You listening to me? And when that man walks in at the end of the day, and he comes to see how you done, you ain't gonna look in his eyes. You're gonna look at the floor. Because you don't want to see that fear in his eyes when you jump up and grab his face and slam him to the floor and make him scream and cry for his life. So you look right at the floor, Jack. Pay attention to what I'm saying, motherfucker. And then he's gonna look around the room, see how you done. He's gonna say, oh, you missed a little spot over there. Geez, you didn't get this one here. What about this little bitty spot? And you're gonna suck all that pain inside you, and you're gonna clean that spot. And you're gonna clean that spot until you get that shining clean. And on Friday, you pick up your paycheck. And if you could do that, you could be president of Chase Manhattan Corporations. If you could do that.
Not me, man. I wouldn't do that kind of shit. I'd rather be in fucking jail.
More's the pity, youngster. More's the pity.
Could you do that kind of shit?
I wish I could.
Central. Eastbound 12.
Barstow here.
Why did you stop us?
There's a runaway coming at you on track 1. Hear me? Number 12, answer me.
I don't see any runaway.
If you were close enough to see her, you'd be dead. Get it? Well, she's about 4 miles away. Now I want you to pull onto track 2 at once. Repeat, at once.
Oh, my God.
No, are you serious?
Hey, Ruby, what's going on?
Hey, you can't go in there right now.
Come on, Ruby.
That eastbound 12 is crawling. Who's the incompetent bastard on her? You better just ask him to clear fast!
I told you something was fucked up.
Maybe we're on some express run or something.
Wake up, wacko. We just blew the caboose to hell without even slowing down. Something screwy's going on here. Look, all the handrails are gone. Maybe the engineer is croaked.
Hey, man, engineers do not just croak.
Why don't the whistle ever blow, huh? What are you, out of your mind?
I just want to see if it worked, man. You said the engineer was croaked. Let go.
You think this is some cops and robbers game?
Hey, man, you picked the train.
You're right.
Yeah.